It's Saturday morning. The rain fell overnight and well into the morning, so it's not exactly beautiful as I make my way along Victoria Road today. Truth is, I'm actually not that far from home, my new home. And this is not a scene I actually expected I was going to have as my day-to-day view. Being a Saturday morning though, it's a little quieter. This road often gets quite busy. I'm up and down it pretty much daily. But this morning, a little bit quieter, slightly more relaxed. And because it's after a rain, it's a little cooler. I'm not going to go too far with this little video walk. I'm not really having to talk over traffic, not like I would if I was on Market Street, which is what Victoria Road becomes when you cross the river. They don't call this place the Granite City for nothing. And the grey skies definitely don't make it better. Just take a look. How can you tell I'm short? I don't have to duck for that tree. And isn't that enough in the grand scheme? I'll be stopping right up ahead. This is the Tory Library. Just a few minutes walk from home. Based on the video, a couple of minutes. Maybe 3. Down this way is Grampian Road, and Grampian Road has a lot of semi-detached houses. And I'm just going to get to here, and that strange shaped building right there, that's police station. And if you look back this way, at least one cruiser is usually parked there, sometimes more. Gotta try this tandoori place and the kebabs, because that's stuff I love. Anyhow, we're 3 minutes in, and I'm gonna stop here. I'll see you in the next one.